Alright, what's going on, guys? This is Nick. Living under the weather today, but we'll go ahead and give you guys another video on authorized user trade lines and mortgage lending. It's pretty much going to be a quick rundown on the do's and don'ts of adding AUs, to your profile if you're trying to get a house. So let's get into it. When to add AUs. If you're going to add an authorized user account to your credit profile, you're trying to get a mortgage, you want to do it before. You don't want to do it during, you don't want to do it after, you want to do it before, so you're able to get that nice little credit boost, kind of beef up your file a little bit, kind of make it look pretty. You're not going to fool the underwriter because it's manual. It's not like credit cards. Somebody's going to be looking at your file, analyzing, seeing if you can handle the debt. Pretty much taking a look. They already know what AUs and piggybacking is used for. So you're not fooling nobody in that department. So, some lenders love it, some lenders don't. Some lenders just don't care. So you're gonna want to ask, the potential lender, like, do you care if I add AUs or would it matter? That's something that you want to take into consideration whenever you, either buy AUs or, you ask your cousin or something like that to add you, or your mom or dad. When you don't want to add AUs, you don't want to add AUs after you had your credit pulled by a lender and you were approved. You don't want to do that. That's pretty much going to result in a 50-50 chance of them telling you, nah, we're not going to be able to do this transaction. It's that simple. Like I said, some lenders love it, some lenders don't, some lenders don't care. You're not fooling nobody. They know what to look for whenever they do a manual underwriting. It's just better that if you're gonna add it before, and don't have the AUs that pop up on there for 2 months. If you were trying to do like credit card funding, you want to find somebody, me, who can add you to some AUs that's going to last on there about 3 or 4 months. So you're able to go ahead and do what you need to do and get that house. You want to be honest. We dealing with a mortgage lender. Let them know, like, hey, look, my parents, a friend of mine added me as authorized user, kind of beef up my scores, to get me qualified, or I'm just trying to get qualified to get a better interest rate. Just be honest. Don't be a liar, because nobody wants to work with a liar. Don't be that guy like, oh, I don't know where those came from, but something stupid like that. Don't be that guy. Tell the truth. Let them know. Hey, look, I had AUs to get my scores up, to get a better interest rate, to qualify. What can we do from here if I am qualified? More than likely you will be, because the minimum you need is a 620. But, you just want to be honest throughout the whole process, because you're buying a home. You might be buying a home, might be buying an investment property. You want to be honest throughout this process, because you may be dealing with this person later on down the line. If you're in a small town, word travels fast. You don't want to be that guy that's known as a liar. So be honest, be truthful, do everything by the book, and you will be fine. All right, guys, it's Nick. Have a good one. Oh, matter of fact, like, comment, subscribe, share, tell your friends about it. Share this video. I know we'll be dropping more knowledge pretty soon. I have a free Facebook group that you can go ahead and, follow. I have a link down in the description. You guys have a good one.